Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to see you all. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mawada. I'm a student at Valentine University in English Education Department. So, in this chance and opportunity, I would like to present about English for Industry lesson, and then the title about introduce a new employee. So, in the first slide, why announce a new employee to the team? Because cultural development starts early, even before an employee appears until the first day of work. The saying goes, you only get one chance and at a first impression. It means sometimes the people look at us for the first impression. So our duty is make a better impression to them because it's the most important thing to a new employee. So the next slide. What to include in a new employee announcement? First is call first name and preferred name. For example, this is James, but he prefers to go by Jim. All of this because it will affect fellow employees and can strengthen friendship and families. So sometimes when they're the new employee, for example, the full name is James Watterson. So he preferred call by nickname as Jim. So the call Jim is the best choice for calling because that make us strength families and friendship one and each other. The second is don't use their pronouns. For example, he or him, she or her, or they or them. This quality prevents colleagues from misgendering their new teammate, so better call in her nickname. Sometimes the other people call us with the pronouns, but for now, when they're a new employee, we must to introduce them the better call in her nickname. For example, her nickname Jim. Don't call pronoun like he. The next is job title and their department. For example, Jim, the job as food and beverage manager, the position as manager as food and beverage. The department is in food and beverage department. So the next slide is the fourth job responsibilities. For example, as our new food and beverage manager, Jim will oversee inventory management and monitor complaints in the kitchen and bar. It means we must to introduce a new employee that his position, for example, the position Jim as manager, and then the duty is Jim can monitor complaints in the kitchen and bar. Fifth, where they're from and currently based. For example, Jim is originally from Texas but moved to Florida 5 years ago. It means we must introduce a new employee where they come from previously. For example, the originally Jim from Texas but moved to Florida 5 years ago. It means the James originally from Texas. So the sixth is where they work from. For the example, the first on-site, flexible or home workers. For example, Jim, the workers previously is flexible. Sometimes they work at home, sometimes work at office. Okay, the seven, professional background. For the example, Jim had previously worked in the 5-year experience in PT Mayora as food and production manager. This is the key important point, I think, because the professional background a new employee is have impact to one and each other. So the next slide, the 8 academic background if applicable or relevant. For example, he completed a Bachelor of Industrial Engineering at London University. Academic background is the most important thing to introduce a new employee because that have big impact for herself or himself. And then for the example, Jim was complete a Bachelor of Industrial Engineering at London University. We know London University is the best university for the engineering, so this is the key point to introduce a new employee. The next is the 9 professional qualification, particularly certification. For the example, the first takes a lot of management training, and then the second requires a lot of effort to improve one's abilities as a required employee, and the last good at speaking in front of the public and colleges. For the example, its professional qualification is the best point, is the key point, because the new employee it have I think must ability to speak in front of public, and then with friends. A few fun facts about them. For example, he's creative and powerful about his work. So this is the key point, one key point, because what interesting in ourselves. Example, I'm creative and powerful in work. So that's the key point for the increase in other employee. So this is the most information to share a new employee when the start date. So the complete example is, for the example, it's James, but he prefers Jim as our new food and drink manager. Jim will oversee management arrangements and monitor compliance in the kitchen and bar. Jim was originally from Texas, but moved to Florida 5 years ago. Jim had previously worked in the 5-year experience at PT Mayora as food production manager. He completed a Bachelor of Industrial Engineering at London University. He takes a lot of management training. He's creative and enthusiastic about his ideas. So today, on this day, September 18, 2023, Jim will be joining with us. Okay, I think that's the explain from me about how to introduce a new employee. So, thank you for